Hey guys, welcome to me, Brennan, and today I'm going to be filming a Brennan Makes. Oh, who's coming down the stairs? Is it Wubby? I bet it's Wubby. It's Wubby! Wanna come say hi to my video?
Okay.
Okay. Wubby's gonna come say hi.
Hi.
Make sure you guys subscribe to their channel. They have such a fun channel. They make all these like cool, like what? Explain what you guys do.
Well, I have the song show, so you guys should check it out. And he has the song show as well.
I do. Brandon and Cameron's Big Sonic Show. They were in season 3 and season 4. And yeah, was it fun filming season 3 and season 4? It was?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so Bobby's going to be helping me bake today. So if you don't know what we're doing, we're going to be making a watermelon cupcakes basically. So we're gonna have, so I went to the store and bought so many different new extracts. Actually, let me just show you the new extracts that I bought. Because I don't think you know yet.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So, I bought cream cheese extract, which is kind of weird. Here, you can take a whiff and smell of it. It smells a little off. It doesn't smell nasty. It smells not normal. And I bought caramel extract. Oh my gosh. It smells like caramel. And then what I did is I also bought some watermelon flavoring. So it's usually probably for candy, but we're going to use it for cupcakes today.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. It smells like, almost kind of smells like the artificial watermelon drink Hawaiian Punch. Okay. Let's put these back and then we'll get into the baking. I just want to show you my new extracts. Extracts, however you want to pronounce it. Okay, anyways, so I already preheated the oven. So what we're going to do is we are going to add the flour, baking powder, salt together in a bowl. So here you can add the salt and I'll add the baking powder. You can add the salt into here.
A little bit.
Oh. Make sure everything gets in there. Okay. And then set these to the side. Oh, my whisk, they're all in here. Ow! That hurt. I just pressed my hand on the potato masher. Okay, I'm gonna whisk it together. Come into the camera view. This is our video together. Then after that, we are going in here to put together our eggs and our sugar. Okay, so here, I'll add the eggs because it's a little bit harder, and you can add the sugar. 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure everything, I need to get my little spatula thingy. Wait, where did it go?
Spatulas are hard to find.
I know. Now, Webby, I'm going to have you mix this all together.
Okay.
So here, you can have the whisk and just like, use your force. I'll hold the bowl for you. Use 2 hands if you have to. Whoa, that was so close. My heart just dropped. Make sure you get over there too. No sugar left behind. Alright, I'll take it from here. Good job, you're doing so good. I know, right? I'm so excited for this. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to add the melted butter. I will add the butter. Melted butter and sugar is always the best. It reminds me of like winter when you're making like gingerbread treats, like peppermint treats. Oh my gosh, I
miss the winter.
I know. I was about to say I can't wait for winter time to come back, because baking during the winter is just one of my favorite things to do. Because I just love the whole peppermint and gingerbread, and like when it's nice and cold outside, and then you're just inside baking all these yummy warm treats, and then like you have like hot cocoa. It's just...
Then the fire set up.
I know. It's so great. I can't wait for this winter. We're going to add in the vanilla extract. And then I'm going to mix it in. I'm so excited for winter this year.
And then we could probably do those sugar cane videos again.
Yeah, those are exciting. The candy cane little thingies. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to move all this out of the way first. Now it's time to add in our watermelon flavoring. And we add just a little bit in to give it a nice watermelon flavoring taste.
Watermelon, I love watermelon.
I know, everybody loves watermelon. Unless someone doesn't like watermelon. If you don't like watermelon, then...
You're crazy.
Yeah, you can't be my friend. If you don't like watermelon. And I'm going to mix the watermelon flavoring into the batter. It's turning a nice little red.
Yeah, I like turning red.
I'm so excited. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the dry ingredients little by little. So we're going to add in a little bit of the dry ingredients. And then we're going to mix it up. So we're going to mix until...
Good.
I know, it smells amazing. I'm so
I
excited.
can smell it from here.
I know, I'm so ready. Then I'm going to have you add just a little bit of the milk, not everything, just a little bit. That's good. Thank you. And then you can mix it. You can mix the milk in. I'll hold the bowl for you. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it smells good.
I know. Now I'm gonna add in some more of the
Every time I
dry.
put something in, it just smells better and better.
I know. Oh my gosh. I've never had a cake like this, and I've never made one like this either. So this is really exciting.
Me too.
Yeah. Never had like a watermelon cake. And now we're gonna add in a little bit, the last bit of the milk. And then we're gonna mix it up one more time.
It's
Well,
kind
once
of
again,
weird
anyway.
making this.
I know, I've never done anything like this. It's so interesting. And then we're gonna add the last little bit of the dry ingredients. Ooh, I think
It's
some
like
might have touched my hand. That's okay though.
It's like the rocks just fell down.
I know.
Throat.
And then we're gonna mix the last little bit in to the batter.
Oh, now it's looking
Battery. I know. It's looking like cake batter.
usually just look like pancake batter.
Yeah. Now, just because I love watermelon, we're gonna add a little bit more flavoring in. Just a little tiny splash, like that. Wow. There we go, like a little drop. Maybe a little more.
Yeah. Watermelon is good.
Yeah, because like, it won't hurt just to add a little bit extra. I like extra. And now we're gonna mix this into the batter even more. Because I really just want this to have a nice watermelon flavor to it. Because we're also gonna add some into the icing. Now what we need to do is we need to add in our red food coloring. So you stay here and entertain.
Okay.
And I'll find the red food coloring because I have bought so many food colorings.
We moved in this house like kind of a long time ago. It was like 2019 December something. I don't remember.
It was like, I don't remember. It was like fall, I think.
That was winter.
Yeah, it was about winter.
Because it's December.
So I just add in the food coloring. And then now let's close the top back.
That's kind of brownish reddish.
I know, it's like a deep red.
Yeah, it's like blackish brownish red.
Now we're gonna mix this all in. Oh boy. Oh boy.
looking delicious.
I know. I'm so excited. Oh, this is hurting. I need to get an electric mixer, like a stand mixer, because this hurts. Like, I don't think you understand.
Because I do remember Mom and Dad said you would.
Yeah, I almost bought one, but... Ow. Time to switch hands. I almost bought one, but then I didn't. I don't know why I changed my mind. But I did, and I didn't get one, so... Here we are.
But maybe next time we could get like a lot of money.
Yeah.
We could get one. The next time we bake, it would be way more easy.
Yeah.
So all I have to do is just turn it on and it would just do everything for you.
Let's take a whiff. Oh my gosh, this smells like cake batter and watermelon at the same time. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna clean all this mess up and then we're gonna line up our cakes. Alright, now we have the things lined up. Now we just need to... Oh, and the oven's ready. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Like, this is just...
All we gotta do is just put it in there, put it in the oven, and...
We're good.
Wait for a little bit, and... They're ready.
So, we're gonna put these in, and I'll see you guys when they're in the oven.
Yep.
Alright, we got the cupcakes lined. I'm not sure if I should... Yeah, we got the cupcakes lined, and, by the way, empty. That's why I'm doing this. And, yeah. So I'll see you guys when they're out of the oven. The cupcakes are all iced and ready to be consumed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Before we end this video, we need to try some of it. So I'm going to cut this one in half. Here. Yep. Sounds like Kate and Ulu.
Yep.
Okay, this part. Oh my god! Oh my god. Now have this part. Oh my god. The watermelon. Oh my god. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll put the recipe down below if you guys want to try this. It's so good. And yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and their channel.